This might just be the best thing I've ever planned, and it starts really soon. Hi, come on in. I'm Caroline, this is Caro-stitched, and I don't know if you're like me, but I get really excited for Christmas, and because of that I wanted to build something for us in this community to work our way towards Christmas and build that excitement. So I thought, well, we'd crochet our way to Christmas, and I really hope that you're going to love it as much as I do. So the plan is called 6 Weeks of Stitchmas, and really it's a festive crochet challenge that I put together where we make simple seasonal projects, ornaments, gifts, decorations, stocking fillers, lots of little treats and things to brighten our seasonal journey. So it's all beginner friendly, totally flexible, and it's designed to bring just a little bit of sparkle to our crochet time. You can dip in and out, you can make one project, you can make them all. It's entirely up to you, as many as you want, share your own. Love to see them. And it is completely up to you. So I've planned a mix of quick makes, stash busters, thoughtful gifts, and each week has its own theme. Now, I'll put a list of those up on the screen here for you, but I've also put a list in a post on the community tab. We'll be kicking off with ornaments on Monday the 10th, which is only a couple of days away. But they're designed to be festive and fun and just something that won't take you too long to crochet up, but will help to bring just that festive touch. I'll be sharing tutorials here on YouTube and inside my Skool community, the Crochet Circle, where there will also be a dedicated Stitchmas thread and tab for anybody to be able to get to quickly. Now in the community you can all share things that you're making, things that you're working on. You can ask questions direct of me or in the community and cheer each other on. We offer support to each other, help each other out, and that's what it's all about. It's a proper community. It is just such a great place to be, great to connect with each other, just have a chat, and it's totally free. So to join in with Stitchmas, it's really quite easy. You can subscribe here on YouTube so that you can follow along with any tutorials I have coming out. And come and join us in the Crochet Circle. As I say, it's completely free and it's definitely where all the community magic happens. I'll pop the link in the description down below and you can pop in and say hello. And as you've probably noticed, I'm in a new space and this is my new hobby room. I will have some updates coming up about that and about the transformation I'm making in here. There's still a long way to go, but I'm getting there. But I am so excited to have Stitchmas kicking off and to be able to use this new space to work in towards it. So whether you are brand new to crochet or have been crocheting for years, you're always welcome here. Let me know in the comments what you're most excited about making, or have you started your own festive projects already? And thank you for joining me here, for keeping me company, and I'll see you in the next one.